Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This would probably be my first video uploaded in my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna take it as no edit. I will not edit this video. So I will upload it rawly. Hindi na ako mag-i-edit. So ngayon is Ngayon is naliligo kami. Ako di ay sa ilalim ng aming bahay. So ang aming bahay ay nasa taas lang. Yan. Yan yung bahay namin. Dalawa kami nakatira dyan. At ako naman ay naliligo dito. So probably high tide ngayon. So ang water pag masyadong high tide, masarap siya liguan. Tsaka sa ilalim ay mga buhangin, balas, your sand. Although it is color black, but it's sand. Sa mga nagtatanong, if you are asking saan kami magsi-CR dito sa aming bahay, yan, aming bahay na yan, kwarto namin yan. So ang aming CR is andoon sa malayo. It's a public toilet and it has water there. It has a septic tank, so it's very safety. Okay, so our house is typically made of bamboo, and yung haligin niya is mga kahoy. Sa makita nyo, it is kahoy. So enjoy na enjoy ako dito. Kung nag-wonder kayo kung saan ito, ito ay naasa Balyangaw. Punta Miray, Balyangaw. So if you are if you might ask what phone did I use my Samsung S20. Matagal na ito, pero matagal na to sa akin. So ito lang yung ginagamit ko pag film dito. So mag-upload ako so this is my first upload in YouTube, and I will upload it raw. I don't need edit. So what you see there, what you leave it there without. So this would be my first video. Sa susunod mag-upload pa ako ulit, and see you there. Maybe pag hindi na ako tatama rin, mag-i-edit na ako doon. Pero ito, hindi ko talaga ito i-editin. Since this is my first video in the YouTube, suportain ko ninyo. If you like the video, like the comment section. If you want to subscribe, please hit the button. That's all for today. I hope you are doing good and okay. Thank you.